Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're driving through Portmore, which is in St. Catherine, Jamaica, and we are on Port Henderson Road, driving through Portmore. We are driving towards the greater Portmore area, and as you can see, Port Henderson Road was recently renovated. It's now a dual carriageway. And this road is one of the main roads in Portmore. It takes you from, say, Portmore Mall into the greater Portmore area, into Hellshire. So it has a lot of traffic. Also, if you're coming from Fort Augusta Drive, or they also refer to that road as Back Road, and you're trying to get into the greater Portmore area or the Brighton area, this is a road you would travel on. So the government recently renovated it, so it helps with the flow of traffic, and they did an excellent job because you don't have as much traffic congestion on the roads anymore, on this section of the road. And Portmore is a growing community. Even though it's well developed now, it's still growing, so it's a good job by the government to recognize that and keep improving on the roads within Portmore. Okay, we turn left. That would take us into Greater Portmore, or we veered left where those cars are going. That would take us into Greater Portmore and then Hellshire. And everybody has heard the name Hellshire. It's a beach where they serve. It's more popular though for serving food like fish. And it's a Hellshire fish. Okay, on the left, if we had turned left, that would take us into Nagahead. And we're back on Port Henderson Road. If we turn left here, that would take us onto Newland Road and back up to the Brayton Parkway. But we're on Port Henderson Road. This is more, well, it's a mix between commercial and residential. On the right is a lot of commercial buildings. You have Port Henderson Mall further down on the right. On the left is a prep school or primary school. And further down as we pass the light, that's the Bridgeport area, which is a residential community. This intersection now is Germain Road. If we turn left, we go on to Germain Road. If we turn right, we go on to Jerbera Avenue. And on the left, those homes are in the Bridgeport area. And Bridgeport is a very large community or neighborhood in Portmore. On the right is, we're passing a hardware store, and then right beside it is the Port Henderson Mall or Port Henderson Plaza. There are a lot of other plazas and stores on the right. It's a very busy commercial area. Okay, if we turn left at this intersection, it would take us on to George Lee Boulevard. But we're going to go straight and stay on Port Henderson Road. Straight ahead, that tall building on the left is but it's on the right, it's a hotel. I'm not sure what's going on with that hotel now. I know it was closed. I don't know if it was refurbished, but if anybody knows what's going on with that hotel, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, we're going to turn left and drive through the Port Henderson Plaza and then come back out on Port Henderson Road and head towards what they refer to as Back Road. So this is Port Henderson Plaza. Alright, so we're going back onto Port Henderson Road now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.